Hello. Nomad Sculpt, cable or gooseneck. Um, this is not a real spiral, but it looks like, and it goes very fast. Okay, let's go to Nomad Sculpt. This is this structure, and I go a few steps back. This is, I turn on the wire. This is a tube, and with a inflate brush, I go so for its front, right, top, which front view is okay, and then brush only along the tube with the inflate brush. Like this. And okay. And the brush is adjustable. Okay, here are the brush settings. The pressure settings are flat. Everything is flat. And the settings for the stroke, user alpha like this, only a white stroke on a black canvas, and scaling 1, fall off flat, stroke spacing 26%, and dot. And that's it. The alpha you can create in Procreate or in another app. It looks like this on a square canvas. Okay, have fun sculpting. Ciao.